Today we're going to do a crayon melting craft with pumpkins. So you will need crayons, pumpkin. You can use a real pumpkin, but we're going to use a fake pumpkin that we got at a craft store. You're going to need a hot glue gun, glue sticks, and a heat gun if you have one, or if you don't, you can use a blow dryer. Very importantly, you're going to need a tarp or mini tablecloths, or you can do this craft outside because it does get really messy. Once you pick the colors you want to use, then you're going to go ahead and start peeling the paper off the crayons. This part can be a little tedious, so please have patience. What you're going to do is you're going to take the crayon, each crayon, and you're going to break them in half. So this is going to give you a lot more pieces to put around. If you decide to do from the top down, you'll need a lot less crayons than if you decide to do from the bottom down, so you're working with a much wider base. Okay, now we've prepared the area for any crayon splatter. We're going to go ahead and start melting our crayons. Some crayons take longer than others to melt. Go back around and continue melting the crayons. If you hold the heat towards the front of the crayon, you get more of a drip. It'll go down the sides a little better. So as you're melting it, you can follow the heat all the way down. Okay, I feel pretty comfortable that my craft is done. I would definitely recommend wearing an apron for this craft, or a garbage bag or something, or some painting clothes, because as you can see, it does get everywhere. If you're going to do the craft from the bottom, we recommend putting it in the cup to keep it stable since the top has a stem on it. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.